view of all these programs are the ones I've done in the past, so they're the completed ones in green. So this is what I'm on currently. So I'm trying to implement this part of it, which is the scoring. So I don't know why I've got a tick there. So it hasn't been done. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try and achieve today. So I'll show you what I've got here. Okay, much clearer now. So it's a rip-off of the countdown, Channel 4's countdown. There's no numbers game in it, so it's all just the letters ones. So the idea is that a player would request a vowel or consonant, and so on and so forth, till they have to complete all the squares, 8 of them in total. And then they should build. The idea is that with the words that they've got, you see, they come randomly, vowels and consonants. I've got them in my code. Got up here somewhere. There we go. Oh, there we go. My vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and these are my consonants. So they're randomly, once you click on the button, it will randomly pick one. So, and it's not unique. So that's how that works. So let's just show you what I've got so far. So I'm the player, launched a program. So click on a vowel that I've got to use. Another vowel. Excuse me. I think I'd want a consonant, so I've got a J. Another, my cat. There we go, Cookie. Always wants attention. And I want another consonant. Okay. I want another one. And a vowel. 2 U's there. An E and an I. Okay, so I think I've got a word there. And then the way I want to score this is that you have as close as you get to 8 letters, there you get the higher scores. Then I think I'm going to make the minimum to, I think, 3 letters. So if I got 3 letters, might change it to 2, 3, and then score accordingly. So nice, according to my Trello board, this is what I've got in the interim. In the interim, I've got 3 letters: 10, 4, 40, 5, 60, 6, 70, 90, and 100. I might change that, but I don't know. But that's what I've got at the moment. Yeah. So I've got a word, J, U. I think that's a word, jute. I think it's a crop used for making plants, for making material. I think it's jute. I can clear it if I want to. If I want to change my mind, then it resets the button. So each time if I click on T again, the button's disabled, which is quite a good thing. So you don't duplicate it. But I can press the other E if I wanted to, which is that E. Yeah. So I've not pressed that E. But again, J, U, T, E, jute. And then I'll play the word. So it will check the dictionary. I've got a dictionary, all the words, and I've accumulated words from 2 to 8. Yeah, all the alphabets. They're about 30,000. 30,000. Yeah. That's close that for now. And then, okay, so I got Duke, so I will click on play word. So we search that word again there. And, word found. Obviously, I've not done a scoring. That's what I'm hoping to achieve this morning. So I'll try and get that worked out. Okay, I've not done the help yet, but again, my Trello board is just for the scoring. And possibly I'll do the messaging if the word is not found. So yeah, so that's what I got so far. I think it looks okay. Still learning Python. We always learn. So I'm going to exit the game. I've got the function which works, so the exit works fine. Close it, and I'm going to bring this here on board here. Okay. I think I'll just increase that a tad. Bring that down a bit. Take that one away. So the idea, I've got a play button. So if I go to my play function, I think I would want to do I would want to implement the scoring. The idea is that I've only put this as a placeholder, 10. It will, by default, there will be no number here. If you put, if you make it an int bar, it will by default put a 0. But if it's a string bar, it leaves it blank, and I don't want any number to appear here until the play button is clicked. Just for aesthetics, all of this would be all clean. So that's why I've used a string bar. So I'm going to convert. I know it's probably there may be a better way of doing it where I can have an integer and Right. There we go. Vowel. I want another vowel. Consonant. This is not looking good. Consonant. Consonant. I need another vowel. Okay. There we go. L. Well, let's see where that goes. $60. So, on my default, I need to rectify my default. So, in the code there, I need to change something, which is the score. Where is it? Down the bottom somewhere. Score. Score 10. I'll set it up so I do that. So save that. Let's try again. There we go. The end game is that this would not show either. I'm just using it as a placeholder so I can actually see how it, aesthetically how it looks. Now. See what word I can. Okay. H. E. I'm very good with words, but there you go. Got something there. I got 4. That's a search good. There we go. So we're getting there. So that's what I was trying to achieve today. So hopefully I would continue and get the messages out, and yeah, I'm happy with that. The presentation's not bad at all. Okay, that's it. And thank you very much.